Hello everyone, welcome back to our e-commerce web project video series. In our last video, we designed a dynamic responsive homepage using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. If you miss it, don't worry, you can catch up by clicking on the card displayed in the upper right corner. As I mentioned previously, today we are focusing on developing carousel for the homepage using Bootstrap and JavaScript. So guys, let's jump right into it. I am Tejan Alexander from Java Institute for Advanced Technology in Sri Lanka. Okay guys, our first step is to visit the Bootstrap website and navigate to their docs page. Under the component section, we'll find various templates that we can easily incorporate into our web design. In this case, we'll select the carousel component. Bootstrap offers several carousel designs, and all we need to do is copy the code into our web design file and customize it according to our needs. Additionally, Bootstrap provides attributes with description to explain how we can further customize the carousel. For example, we can enable the autoplay option by simply adding a class and setting it up to autoplay. In the previous video, I demonstrated how I incorporate this carousel design into my web page. I copied the code, uploaded it, and then customized it according to my specific requirements by adding images and other options. Now let's check our design. Here you can see the code I copied from the Bootstrap docs, and I also added the bootstrap.bundle.js and bootstrap.js file to my project folder. These files contain the necessary programs and classes provided by Bootstrap, which are required for the carousel to function properly. It's essential to include these JavaScript files in our project folder, otherwise the carousel won't work as expected. Okay, now upon viewing our design, you will notice the carousel functioning smoothly. I added images and configured it to autoplay. Additionally, you can navigate through the slides using the arrow buttons. This method utilizing Bootstrap components allows us to easily make our designs responsive and save us time compared to hard coding everything. So I hope you now understand how to implement a carousel and customize it using Bootstrap website. In the next video, we'll delve into programming the homepage, including session management and listing the latest products. Don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the bell button to get notified about our latest videos. See you in the next one.